Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this year, building a landing page isn't about dragging boxes anymore. It's about vibe coding. Lovable has emerged as the premier AI full-stack engineer that builds your entire front-end and back-end through a conversation. If you need a page that doesn't just look good but actually works with also real databases and a youth, this is the platform. And now let's begin. So are you still using templates that look exactly like everyone else's? So the best landing page are built by AI agents. And today we're using Lovable to create a high converting full stack landing page from a single prompt. No templates, no drag and drop limits, just pure code ownership. And by the end of this video, you'll have a live site with a lead capture database and a custom domain. So let's begin. And before we begin, let us talk briefly about the platform. So what it actually is. Unlike Wix or Squarespace, Lovable isn't just a CMS. It's an AI full-stack product engineer. It writes production-ready React Node styled with Tailwind CSS. The standout feature in this year is its two-way sync. It creates a full Superbase backend for you automatically, meaning your landing page can have a real database for user signups, a logging system, and even custom API logic. You aren't just making a page, you're launching an application. And it includes the AI agent mode for autonomous building and a visual editor for pixel perfect tweaks. And now, of course, this takes us to the registration and setup. So let me just open up incognito. And guys, in this year, you just go to the official website, and also you can join also with email only. But also after the latest updates, as you can see, we can also use our Google accounts. But instead of using the generic email or Google, I highly recommend signing up via GitHub. So why? This allows Lovable to instantly clone your project code into a repository. And what does this mean? It means that you own the code. If Lovable ever went away, you'd still have your files. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will show your active projects and a new project button. It's a clean, developer-focused interface that stays out of your way. And guys, in order to let you know about the full functionality of this service, let us also briefly talk about the numbers. So it's not, of course, necessary or required to buy and purchase the plan straight away, because they still provide a 2-week, so it's a 14-day free trial for you to test the waters, as they say, and to figure out if it's the platform for you, if you're comfortable with it, if you're comfortable you want to use this platform on the prolonged time. And yeah, pretty much just test it out. And if you wish, let us talk about the plans as well, if you wish to purchase one. So in terms of the free tier I was talking about, you get 5 daily credits, and it's going to be up to 30 a month. And it's perfect for testing, but your projects are public. Then we have the Pro plan, as you can see right here. So this one is the sweet spot. So you get 100 monthly credits plus 5 daily bonuses. So it's going to be 150 total. Most importantly, this plan is shared across unlimited team members. You also get custom domains and can remove all Lovable branding. And then we have the business plan as well, which is 50 a month. And this adds SSO and advanced security, mostly for agencies or startups handling sensitive client data. Also, if you wish to see perks, you can see them here. As you can see, we have all features in Pro Plus, and there's the Pro plan. And also don't forget that if you wish to buy more credits, you can actually go for way more. As you can see, you can buy from 100 to 10,000 credits. And also the enterprise, that's for businesses. You can connect with the support and discuss the price with them. All right, and now before we get into the main part, I'll give you also a short comparison. So why Lovable stands out. So, for example, if compared to VS Versal V0, so it's great for UI snippets, but it doesn't build the backend. And Lovable builds the whole house, not just the front door. Now versus Bolt.new. So Bolt is a code-first browser IDE. Lovable is design-first. Lovable's visual edit mode is the winner here. It lets you click an element and change its color or text without burning any AI credits. That alone makes it much more budget-friendly for builders who like to tweak their designs manually. Okay, and now to the core part. So in order to begin, you just need the how-to. So firstly, you need to click new project or just start writing in here, or just create from prompts. And the master prompt is as follows, just to be specific. So for example, this is my prompt, build a high converting landing page for 2026 AI SASS called Chris Tech Guide, which is our channel name, include an interactive hero section, a pricing table with 3 tiers, a FAQ accordion, and a lead capture from that saves emails to a Superbase database. And then just press on enter, and now it's going to begin creating our app. After that, the iteration. So Lovable will generate the site in about 45 seconds. Don't like the font? Use the visual editor. Click the headline and say make this bold and change the color to electric blue. And then adding logic. Now you can click the sign up button and tell the AI when users submit their email, show a success toast, and send the data to a new leads table in Superbase. So in this here, Lovable handles the database schema and the API connection for you instantly. And then when your app is generated or the converting or your landing page, you just can hit deploy, a button in the top right. And don't forget, you can host it on Lovable Cloud for an instant URL or sync it to Versal via your GitHub repo for enterprise-grade hosting. So in just about 8 minutes, we've gone from a black screen to a custom full-stack landing page that is ready to collect leads and scale. We've mastered the Lovable interface, connected our backend, and deployed to the world. If this 2026 workflow helped you launch your project today, hit subscribe button and ring the bell for more AI development masterclasses. This is Brian from Chris Tech Guide, signing out. Thanks for watching.